Hi friends, I hope you all are doing well. So actually before I continue posting more videos here, I felt it was important to talk about the intention behind this space so that you know what kind of journey this is going to be. And to be very honest, this place is not about one particular subject because when I look at life, I feel it can't be understood from only one angle. Like life has a many dimensions, and to understand it better, we need ideas from many places. Like philosophy, psychology, society, history, political science, or religion, belief. Like there are many others as well. So here we will explore many different ideas together, but there is one thing that will remain at the center of everything which we discuss, and like it is the way we think. One purpose of the conversation is to encourage the scientific temperament, the habit of looking at the things with curiosity, logic, and evidence instead of like accepting them blindly. Many times we believe something simply because it is a part of our tradition, our culture, or because we grow up hearing it. But real understanding begins when we allow ourselves to ask simple questions only. Like, why do we believe this? How do we know it is true? Does it really make sense? Like, questioning is not disrespectful, we need to understand it. Then, questioning is the beginning of the understanding about anything. In fact, every healthy society needs people who can think independently, people who are not afraid to examine old assumptions, challenge dogmas, and look at the world like with both curiosity and the reason instead of blind faith. So, in a way, I hope this space encourages a kind of intellectual courage, the courage to think for yourself. Another thing you will see here is real conversation with real peoples as well. Sometimes I will go out and ask people questions in many, like in my college with my friends, teachers, even the strangers in public places with many peoples, just to understand how different people think about different ideas. Because understanding society doesn't come only from the books. I believe this personally. It also comes from listening to people and how, and of course I will also share my own thoughts and reflection along the way. But let me make one thing very clear again. The goal here is not to create followers only. I'm not gonna spoon feeding here. The goal is to encourage thinkers, people who observe, questions, reflects, and from their own understanding. And there is also one honest reason behind starting this journey. Like I feel that it will also to like develop me in a better way as well. It will help me to make me a good communicator as well. I believe that, and I hope to improve my communication skills honestly. So in a way, we will all be learning together, including me. And if through these conversations something here makes you think a little bit deeper, question something you were never questioned before, or see the world from a slightly different perspective, like then this effort will already be meaningful for me, because sometimes growing doesn't begin with answers. It's my belief honestly. Sometimes it begins with the simple questions, as I said earlier. So if you are someone who enjoy thinking, questioning, and exploring ideas about life and the world around us, then I'm really glad you are here. And let's learn, question, and grow together, and try to be disobedient on the things which are illogical. Thank you for watching and be in touch. Thank you.